Hello friend, here is my project for the build and block marathon. It's called Negotiation Dojo. The problem I want to solve is simple people are bad at negotiation because they don't have a safe place to practice against someone who is actually a tough guy. So I built an agentic app simulator. Let me show you how it works. So I had built it with the help of the fast API and the Gemma Dojo. I will explain it in a simple bit. So here is an app, the port. So what you have to do, click on the port, try it out, like the application JSON, and then you have to input the string here. Let me show you how. So if you want app or anything, a website, let's keep it simple. So if the person asks, I want 5,000, sorry, $5,000 for building an website and host it on cloud. So here are some spelling mistake. I'm sorry for that. Let me first correct them with the help of Grammarly. So just execute. Till the point it will execute, I will tell you the detail. Here's the live API instruction. The AI is playing the role of Mr. V. A, a hypothetical situation means it don't exist in the real life. I just assume it as Mr. V. So a stinking client who only wants to pay $3,000 or $5,000 if I send a prompt saying that, and then it will just reply you. What should you reply to the person or a freelancer? That here is the output. So I want to spend. Here is our input I had given to it. So the output he will give to it $3,000. Here is the contract. If I see your work, I am worthy. I will walk away. Don't waste my time. So in this type, it will negotiate. If you don't know how to build the thing and how to negotiate with someone, it's help us. So to build that, first I deploy the brain. This is the container running on Ollama hosting Google Cloud open source Gemma 2 model. I specifically optimized this to run on CPU instances to solve for the GPU quota contracts while keeping the application serverless and scalable. Second, I built the agent using the Python and the fast API. This handles the system prompts, manages the negotiation state, and connect to the brain. And the final, the architecture allows the application to scale to zero, then not in use, making it an incredible efficient way to train the junior sales staff. Thank you. So here is my app.